Hey, welcome to T Academy. My name is Isa Toure. I'm MSc student in computer science at Kitty University. And on this channel, I will teach Python, data analysis, AI, machine learning, and English for professional, beginners, and students. If you want to learn programming from scratch, you are in the right place. In this playlist, I will teach basic Python such as variables, conditions, loops, functions, and data analysis with Python. Then we will finish with one really live project. Now, you may ask yourself, why should I learn Python? Python is one of the most used programming languages in the world. That's why companies use Python for web development, data analysis, AI, machine learning, optimization, so on. Because Python is beginner friendly and easy to read. In the next coming video, I will teach you how to install Python, VS Code, Jupyter Notebook. So by the end of the playlist, you will be able to write your first Python program and your code by your own. At the end of the playlist, you will have a strong Python fundamental and coding experience and practical experience, a coding practical experience. If you enjoy learning new technology, subscribe to the channel and join the journey. The next video, we will see how to install Python step by step. Thank you for watching, and let's learn Python together.